stone lives the memory of a town once known for quiet mornings by the harbor light, for neighbors talking deep into the night. Now the skyline changes every day. Old homes vanish, cranes take the bay. Through the dust, through every scar, the soul of Sliema knows who we are. We are not shadows in a developer's dream, not statistics lost beneath the scheme. These streets were built for life, not greed. A town is more than profit and speed. Sliema Tagħna, heroes rise, voices stronger than the towers in the sky. Stone by stone, street by street, the heart of this town will never retreat. For the sea, for the homes, for the people who still belong, we stand together side by side with Sliema spirit as our guide. With Sliema spirit as our guide. Where gardens bloom beside the sea, we remember what Sliema used to be. From Sana to Tigney Shore, places love don't stand here no more. The church bells echo through the rain. Old faces seldom walk here again, yet every family holding on keeps alive the place we came from. No city survives without its soul, no future stands when roots are sold. We defend what's still